Hi friends, I'm Super Reggie, and I'm ready for another adventure. Let's fly around the world and learn something new together. Today's epic episode is going to be awesome. Smash that like button, and let's go Super Squad. Hold on to your helmets. Hero Super Reggie is traveling back in time, way back to the age of dinosaurs. Whoa, giant claws, spiky tails, T-Rexes. This is Dynamite. It's a prehistoric power-packed journey through the Mesozoic era, full of fun facts and colossal creatures. Let's stomp into the adventure. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for over 165 million years. That's so long, even Reggie's superhero cape would have worn out. They lived during three big time periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Let's dive into each one and meet the biggest, weirdest, and coolest dinos to ever stomp the planet. In the Triassic period, dinosaurs were just getting started. Look at that. The Colophysis, one of the earliest dinos. It was a small, fast, meat-eating dinosaur that hunted in packs like superhero squads. Fast, fierce, and full of teamwork. Love it. There weren't many big dinosaurs yet, but crocodiles and early mammals also appeared. Imagine a superhero mouse fighting dinosaurs. Epic. Welcome to the Jurassic, the golden age of dinosaurs. Whoa, that Brachiosaurus is taller than a skyscraper. The Brachiosaurus could grow up to 25 meters long and weigh over 50 tons. Its long neck helped it munch on treetops. It was like a walking crane. If I had a neck that long, I could reach snacks on the top shelf. And look, there's the Stegosaurus with its spiky back plates. Those plates might have helped it show off or control its body temperature. Fashion and function, that's next level dino style. Last stop, the Cretaceous period, where the most famous dinosaurs ruled. The T-Rex, that's one super stompy superstar. Tyrannosaurus Rex could bite with over 6,000 kilograms of force. That's like a truck falling on your lunchbox. But it had tiny arms. Scientists still aren't sure why. Even superheroes have their quirks. And look, the Triceratops. It had 3 horns and a huge bony frill. It used its horns to defend against predators, and maybe to impress its dino friends. Horns, armor, and style. Triceratops was ready for battle and the catwalk. This era also had flying reptiles like Pteranodon and sea monsters like Mosasaurus. Sky, land, see, the dinosaurs ruled it all. But 66 million years ago, a huge asteroid hit Earth. It caused massive changes and wiped out the dinosaurs. That's so sad, but also super important to learn from. Even though dinosaurs are extinct, their fossils tell us their incredible story. Birds are modern relatives of dinosaurs, so next time you see a pigeon, say hi to a dino descendant. I'll never look at a seagull the same way again. From tiny hunters to giant plant eaters, dinosaurs ruled the earth like prehistoric superheroes. And every fossil is a clue that helps us understand the past. So keep exploring, asking questions, and being brave just like Super Reggie. Until next time, Junior Explorers, stay rowersome, up, and away.